can be by physical method or by chemical or oxidation of free radicals. This DNA repair can take place by three methods. One is physical, chemical and free radical. Now the examples for physical are UV rays, X-rays and microwaves, etc. These are physical parameters. And coming to the chemical parameters, that are aflatoxin and alkylating substance. Chemicals are like aflatoxin and alkylating substance, etc. And free radicals like Cl minus ions. These are physical, chemical and free radical. And while discussing this DNA repair mechanism, there are four main reasons which arises this DNA repair system. One is the first reason is single base alteration. This first one is single base alteration and second one is double base alteration. And third one is chain breakage. And fourth one is cross linkage. First one is single base alteration, second one is double base alteration, and this third one is chain breakage, and fourth one is cross linkage. Now if we need to discuss about this single base alteration, it is because of deamination. One is deamination and depurination. One is deamination and other one is depurination, and other one is addition or removal of nitrogen bases. Addition or removal of nitrogen bases. These single base alterations arises because of deamination or depurination and addition or removal of nitrogen bases. These are the three reasons. Because of these are the three criteria, that are deamination, depurination and addition and removal of nitrogen bases will result in single base alteration. And coming to the double base alteration, this double base alteration arises because of thiamine, pyrimidine, dimer formation. That is thiamine, pyrimidine dimer formation. Double base alteration arises because of thiamine, pyrimidine. Thiamine is a pyrimidine, it forms two thiamines. Pyrimidine dimer formation. This is reason for double base alteration. And chain breakage is result of ionized radiations and oxidative radiations. ionized radiations and oxidative radiations, and these ionized radiations and oxidative radiations result in chain breakage. And coming to the fourth one, that is cross linkage. This cross linkage arises firstly when there is a damage between base pairs of same side or opposite side. That is, whenever the linkage between base pairs of same side or opposite sides are damaged, and between purines and pyrimidines, between any linkage between purines and pyrimidines will get damaged, will result in cross linkage. These are the four main reasons which results in DNA repair. First one is single base alteration, second one is double base alteration, third one is chain breakage, and fourth one is cross linkage. Single base alteration results because of deamination, depurination, and addition or removal of nitrogen bases, that are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytidine, and uracil. These are the 5 nitrogen bases. Addition or removal of nitrogen bases will result in single base alteration, and double base alteration results because of thiamine pyrimidine dimer formation. And third one is chain breakage. This chain breakage will result because of ionization or oxidation. And coming to the fourth one is cross linkage. Cross linkage arises because of when there is a damage between the base pairs of same side or opposite side, and when there is a damage between bonds of purines and pyrimidines. These are the four different reasons. These are the four different reasons These are the four different reasons which arises DNA repair, that is single base alteration, double base alteration, chain breakage, and cross linkage. Now, now let us talk about the mechanisms which are involved in DNA repair. Mechanism involved in DNA repair. The mechanism which is involved in DNA repair, there are 5 different types of mechanisms. First one is MMR, that is mismatched repair. MMR means mismatched repair. And second one is BER, that is base excision repair. Base excision repair. And third one is nucleotide excision repair. Nucleotide excision repair. And fourth one is double strand break repair. And fifth one is direct repair. These are the 5 different kinds of mechanisms which are involved in the DNA repair. That is, first one is mismatched repair, second one is base excision repair, and third one is nucleotide excision repair, and fourth one is double strand breakage repair, and fifth one is DNA repair. Now there are four steps. There are four main steps which are involved in DNA repair. That are, first one is recognizing. This is first step, and second step is removal of breakage or impurities, and third one is synthesis, which is synthesis of new DNA, and fourth one is ligase. First one is recognition, second one is removal or breakage, and third one is synthesis of new DNA, fourth one is ligase. These are the four sequential steps which are involved in DNA repair mechanism. Now let us talk about this mismatched repair. First one is mismatched repair. Now let us consider this is a template strand which is 5' to 3', and this is new strand. This is a new strand, and there is a sequence of amino acids that are G, A, T, C. G, A, T, C are the sequence of amino acids, and continuation of this, it is T and it is C. Now, as we know that adenine will pair up with thymine and cytosine will pair up with guanosine. These are necessary and correct pairing. That is, adenine will pair up with thymine and cytosine will pair up with guanosine. Now here the thymine is paired up with cytosine, so there is a fault in this new strand. This is the recognition is the first step, and after recognizing, the second step is removal of unwanted material, removal of the sequence. This is first step, and second step is 5' and 3'. It is template strand, and let us consider new strand. Here the removal of, this is a second step, the removal of unwanted material or wrongly added base pair. This is a second step, and coming to the third step. The third step is synthesis of new DNA material. This is template strand 5' to 3', and this is new strand which is 5' to 3', and here G, A, T, C, and this is T. Now synthesis of new DNA material occurs. This is thymine will pair up with adenine. This is third step. First step is recognition, second one is removal of unwanted material, and third one is synthesis of new DNA material, and fourth one is ligation. This is template stand, and just 3 times to 5 times. Here the new genetic material or new DNA is produced. So these are the 4 steps which involves in mismatch pair. First step is recognition, and second one is removal, and third one is synthesis, and fourth one is ligation. And base excision pair. This base excision pair also, it is in same manner. It will be recognized, and it will be recognized, and secondly there will be removal of unwanted material, and third step new synthesis of base pair will get occur, and in fourth step ligation will take place. As a result, new DNA will be formed, and in nucleotide excision method, in place of base pair, nucleotide will be added, and it will be a same process. And in double strand break repair, it will be same like this, but in third step there will be formation of forks. As a result, 2 double strands are formed. This is about double strand breakage mechanism, breakage repair, and direct repair. This direct repair also includes recognition, removal, and synthesis and ligation. And this is about DNA repair and mechanisms which are involved in DNA repair. There are 5 types: mismatched repair, base excision repair, and nucleotide excision repair, double strand breakage repair, and fourth one is direct repair. These are the 5 different types of mechanisms involved in DNA repair.